Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI-powered Spring Boot application using Spring AI. First, let's quickly check the Spring AI documentation. Here you can see the overview, the Learn section, and examples for different versions. Scrolling down, the page explains how Spring AI works inside the Spring ecosystem. Now let's create a new Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer inside IntelliJ. I type the project name, Spring AI Demo. For the build system, I select Maven, simple for Spring Boot. In the dependencies section, I search for OpenAI. Spring AI provides a starter that automatically configures the ChatClient for us. I select it and create. Now let's open the POM file. Here, we can see the Spring AI BOM and the OpenAI starter. This starter gives us access to ChatClient and all model operations. Next, I manually add the Spring Web starter. We need it to build a REST controller and expose an HTTP endpoint that will send requests to the AI model. Next, I open the application.properties file. Then I configure the OpenAI API key. I use an environment variable instead of hard-coding the key. This is the correct way to store secrets in Spring Boot. Now I open the Run Debug configuration. Inside the environment variables field, I add OpenAI API key. To get the key for OpenAI, open platform openai.com. Navigate to API keys, click Create New Secret Key, copy it, and paste it here. Now let's implement the core logic, the ChatService class. Then I inject the ChatClient builder. This builder allows us to create a ChatClient for each request. Next, I create the method getAIResponse. It accepts a user message and returns an AI-generated answer. Inside, I build the client. Client builder build. Then I define the prompt. A switch statement maps simple commands like joke or fact to specific prompts. For example, tell me a funny joke. Give me an interesting fact about space. For custom text, I fall back to respond concisely to plus the message. And finally, I return the AI output. Now I create a DTO called ChatResponseDto. This DTO holds two fields, user message and AI response. I generate a constructor, getters, setters. Spring will automatically convert this object into JSON when sending the response. Next, I build the REST controller. I annotate the class with @RESTController. Then I inject the chat service using constructor injection. I create an endpoint named chat. It accepts the message parameter, calls the service, and returns a new chat response DTO. Now let's test everything. I open the requests.http file inside the project. I create 3 test endpoints. Get a joke from the AI. Get an interesting fact about space. Send a custom message. All of them point to localhost. Now I run the Spring Boot application. The console shows that Tomcat started on port 8080 and Spring Boot initialized successfully. I send the first request, joke. The AI responds with a funny skeleton joke. Next, I send fact. The model returns a space fact, confirming the prompt mapping. Then I test a custom message. Tell me about LLM. The model returns a concise explanation. To finish the demo, I send one more joke request. The AI responds instantly with a new joke. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.